Okay, so um, next problem tayo. Ito, number 25. You are asked to design a spring that will give a 1,160 kilogram satellite. So, ito yung bigat ng satellite, a speed of 2.50 meters per second relative to an orbiting space shuttle. Your spring is to give the satellite a maximum acceleration of 5g. The spring's mass, the recoil kinetic energy of the shuttle, and the changes in gravitational potential energy will all be negligible. What must the force constant of the spring be? The force constant, so I think we only have to formahin natin yung mga equation. Yung force constant kasi lumalabas yan dito sa fkx. F is equal to kx. So ito siya yung hinahanap. So binigay man yung anong pinagbibigay, yung velocity, yung mass. Yung velocity satellite speed of 2.50 meters per second. 2.50 meters per second. And then nagbigay siya ng to give us a maximum acceleration of 5g. So yung maximum acceleration is 5g. So parang pareho rin yung problem natin before nito. Same problem siya. The maximum acceleration actually happen dun sa pag ma-release yung spring. Okay, meaning say formahin na natin yung equation. Yung F natin dito is F is equal to ma. So M at saka A. Binigay yung acceleration, meron tayong mass. So and then you have your kx. Yun lang. Yung kx natin pwede nating kunin dun sa ito ng velocity na to, dun sa panghuling velocity. Pwede natin to kunin dun sa kinetic energy na ipapasa niya. Parang pareho rin, yung potential energy mo, UL, is equal to your kinetic energy. Yung UL mo is 1/2 kx squared. At yung potential energy, yung kinetic energy mo is 1/2 mv squared. So cancel the 1/2. So x squared is equal to, ito yung compression ng spring, ito rin siya, diba? So x squared is equal to mv squared all over k. So square root nyan, you have x is equal to square root of mv squared all over k. Substitute ko naman dito. So therefore I can find the k. MA mass, so substitute na natin yung mass 1,160 kilogram, 1,160 kilogram, and then may acceleration siya na 5g. So 5 times 9.80665 meters per second squared. So this is your MA is equal now to K, which is unknown, and then square root ng mass 1,160 kilogram, and then V squared. V is 2.50 squared meter squared per second squared all over K naman. Kaya lang medyo yung K na to, paano siya makakancel dito? So the best is we square this, i-square natin to, tapos i-square natin to. Ito siya. square natin yan. So, kung square natin yan, yung lalabas dyan is k squared, tapos 1160 kilogram, tapos 2.50 square meter squared per second squared all over k. Okay? Tapos dito naman is 1160 kilogram. Yung 5 wala. Ano yung 5 dito? 5G. So 5 times 9.80665 meters per second squared. Kaya lang naka-square ito siya. I think kailangan to siyang in Newton. Ito is Newton, kaya lang ito is naka-square lahat. So parang cancel ako dito ng isa. So parang yung k is equal to, ito yung taas, 1160 times 5 times 9.80665. Unit nito is Newton square. Kasi Newton yung tatlo. Tapos paglabas mo, naka-square na siya. So ito kulang pa to ng square. So wala nang unit siya. Dito naman sa baba, you have 1160 kilogram. Tanggalin ko yung isang meter dito, bali nandito siya. So Newton din yan. Diba? So 1160 times 2.50 square. 2.50 square. Unit niyan is Newton meter. Newton meter. So canceling ko yung isang Newton. Yung unit na now ngayon is Newton per meter, which is the unit for our K. Okay? So that would be 1160 times 5 times 9.80665 all over square all over 1160 times 2.5 square. So yung K natin is 446,230. Pwede na yan 200. 446,000 Newton per meter. That would be our K. Newton per meter. And then what force constant the spring be? What distance must the spring be compressed? So yung X natin kanina ito. Substitute lang natin yung X. Yung mass is 1160 kilogram, and then yung velocity is 2.50 squared meter squared per second squared all over K. 446,000 Newton per meter. So yun yung compression nya. Square root of 1160 times 2.50 squared all over answer. So unit kilogram, magtatanggal ako dito ng meter. So Newton, makakancel to siya. Sa meter, may meter sa baba, na baba. So meter squared. So naka-square root meter yung lalabas dito. And that is 0.127 meters. Okay? So, I guess that's it. Ito yung K, ito yung X. If I am not wrong. Nung problem na to, that is 2.25. Okay, thank you for listening, guys.